Welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and today I would like to share with you my favorite kind of all-purpose coffee cake recipe. So you will want to use an 8-inch round cake pan or 9-inch, or even if it's square, that's fine, and you'll spray that beforehand. But our first step here is to prepare our kind of like a streusel topping. So I have a little salt, sugar, cinnamon, and flour, and I'm going to whisk that together and set this aside while I mix, and I'll show that to you in a second. And then with my butter, you could cut this in using a fork. You could do it with a grater. I don't mind doing it with my hands. So we're just going to get this all crumbly and set this aside for a bit. So I'll meet you at the mixer in just a few minutes. So I have my half a stick of room temperature butter and sugar in the mixer, and so I'm going to add a little vanilla and an egg. This is my favorite coffee cake recipe, in large part because, again, it's just filled with ingredients that I always have, and so it's I can do it last minute, which is always wonderful. We're just going to get these combined. I'm going to use my paddle attachment. And now that this is combined, I have my baking powder and salt and flour combined in another bowl already. And we're just going to alternate this with a little bit of milk. And we're just going to slowly blend this in together. So our dough is just gently mixed. We didn't want to beat anything other than the butter. And this is where you can have a little bit of extra fun. I always keep frozen cherries in my freezer. But whatever frozen fruit you keep, particularly, I think blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, any one of those would taste fantastic. So you can kind of add those personal touches. It's about 2 cups. If you have fresh, you can certainly use fresh as well. But this is what I'm saying about it being a last minute thing, because those are stuff I always have. I've done it with blueberries and it's just lovely. So we're just kind of getting that in there. Pop this into our sprayed pan. I may have done a little extra cherries, but it's probably my family's favorite fruit, so we're going to all be happy at breakfast with this. And just spread it out as evenly as possible. I need to get a little bit of that cherry back over here. And then here is our amazing streusel topping. So this is probably maybe my favorite part of making this. It's something that it's a great thing for your kids to help you as well. If they like to help in the kitchen, this part is fairly easy. And this just makes such a tasting topping. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, 375, and probably about 40 minutes. You want to just test to make sure it's done. And my oven's ready, so we will see you in a bit. I wish you could smell this yummy deliciousness coming from this beautiful round cake pan. I'm so excited to dig into this coffee cake. And you can hopefully see all of the just the luscious streusel topping, and the juices from the cherries have come through. Ooh, I might be still a little warm, but let's see if I can get us a piece here to kind of see how this looks. But again, you can kind of make this your own. Oh yeah, look at that. And it smells fantastic. Use whatever fruit you like. But I hope that this can help you. And save you in an emergency or just make your family a treat or yourself. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. I hope you love this as much as we do. Hope to see you again soon. Take care.